Hi students, in this video we will see how to solve this age related word problem from the chapter linear equations in one variable. I have already uploaded a few word problems on the topic, so you can check out those videos in my channel, and for any doubts let me know in the comment section. ठीक है, and equations कैसे solve करना है वो भी मैंने I've solved few questions, so you can check out those videos. Okay, so let's start this. What is given? Ram is 3 years older than Shyam. Okay, 6 years ago Ram's age was 4 times that of Shyam's age. Find their present ages. Okay, कौन कौन है? राम है, श्याम है. What is given? Ram is 3 years older than Shyam. ओके, सो राम जो है श्याम से 3 साल बड़ा है. तो श्याम का एज, इफ वी कीप Shyam's age as x, Ram's age will be x plus 3 years. Ram is older to Shyam, okay, by 3 years. Then 6 years ago. So what we have to do here? 6 years ago, pehle write down their ages. Ram's age 6 years ago, Shyam's age 6 years ago. Dono ka 6 years pehle we have to write down their ages. Then what is given? 6 years ago Ram's age was 4 times Shyam's age. So 6 years ago जो राम का एज था, that is equal to 4 times जो श्याम का एज है 6 years ago. So this is the rough draft. Now let's solve this. Okay, find your present ages. तो किसका x रखेंगे? Ram is 3 years older than Shyam. Okay, so let Shyam's present age equal to x years. Let Shyam's present age equal to x years. Therefore, Ram's present age 3 years older, so x plus 3 years. Okay, step 1 हो गया. दोनों का according to given condition दोनों का एज लिख लिया. नाउ 6 years ago. Now before framing this equation we have to write down their ages 6 years ago. Okay, so 6 years ago Shyam's age Shyam's present age is x, so 6 years ago it would have been x minus 6. 6 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है प्रेजेंट एज से, सो श्याम्स एज x minus 6 years. Same way Ram's age would have been x plus 3 minus 6. Present age of Ram is x plus 3, so before 6 years it would have been x plus 3 minus 6. So x 3 minus 6 is minus 3, x minus 3 years. Okay, now we can frame the equation according to the given condition. So according to the given condition, 6 years ago, what is the relation? 6 years ago Ram's age was 4 times Shyam's age. Ram's age was, so Ram's age 6 years ago, x minus 3. So Ram's age was means equal to 4 times Shyam's age. So 4 times Shyam's age 6 years ago. Okay, so don't write it otherwise. x minus 6 equal to 4 into x minus 3 लिखा तो आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. 6 years ago जो राम का एज था that is 4 times श्याम्स एज. ठीक है, उल्टा नहीं लिखना है यहाँ पे. एंड वैसे भी यहाँ से पता चलता है कि राम इज ओल्डर, सो 6 years पहले भी राम का एज विल बी 4 times श्याम्स एज. ठीक है, नाउ x minus 3 equal to 4x minus 24. So x minus 4x equal to minus 24. Minus 3 comes here, so plus 3. X minus 4x is minus 3x. Minus 24 plus 3 is minus 21. So दोनों side negative sign is cancelled. So we have x equal to 7. Okay, now we have to find out their present ages. x किसका था? Shyam's present age was x years. Therefore Shyam's present age equal to 7 years. Ram's present age x plus 3 years. Okay, So 7 plus 3, so that is 10 years. हो गया ना सॉल्व बहुत आराम से. सो just understand the question, frame the equation, solve the equation, write the final answer. So that's it. So I hope you would have understood the question. अगर कुछ भी doubts है so comment section में आप लोग मेरे को पूछ सकते हो. Okay, so that's all in this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.